Hello, today we are cooking Southwest Taco Tater Tot Casserole. So what we're gonna do is I have about 2.5 pounds of ground beef, so just get that really nice and browned up. Alright, the meat is nicely browned. Now I'm gonna add one whole white onion. So cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes and I'll come back for the next step. After 5 minutes, this is what it's looking like. Now we're gonna add the 2 taco seasoning packets. I'm using one hot and one original. So add all of it in there. Cook it for a few minutes, then add some water and let it cook down some more. This looks and smells delicious. Now we're gonna add in the 2 cans of Rotel. I got the store brand one. So there's 1 can. Here's the 2nd can. So mix it and cook it for a few more minutes. Next thing to add in is half a big block of Velveeta. It's like the big Velveeta block, so add half. And now we're gonna let that melt down and cook it in. Oh, look how good it looks once you let the Velveeta mix and melt in there. Okay, so one of the final steps of this part is to add the corn and the beans. So I'm using like the red kidney beans. You can use whatever beans you like. I just felt like kidney beans today. And then 1 can of corn. I use the fire roasted corn, but honestly you can use whatever you like. So mix this in, then you can turn the stove off and we'll go on to the next part. What we're gonna do now is take this whole mixture we just made and pour it into our casserole dish. So this already has Velveeta in it, but now we're gonna put a whole bag of sharp cheddar cheese on top. Okay, that's looking good. Now we're going to take the tater tots and put them all over this. This is what it looks like with the tater tots on top. Now I'm gonna stick this into the oven at 375 for about 35 to 45 minutes.